Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's hair review is going to be on Amanda hair, and inside of the box you get your wig and some wig caps. They sent me their 4x4 deep wave lace closure wig, and this is in the length of 24 inches and it's 150% density. The construction of the cap consists of 3 combs, one located on your left and right side, and then one located at the back of the unit, and then it also has adjustable straps. I'm going in with my even lace tinted spray. I like to use that on the knots, and now I'm just fitting the wig, just gauging how I want to install it. And then I'll be using some Got to Be Free spray to install the wig. I'll normally do about 2 layers of this. Y'all know I like my baby hairs, so of course I'm doing my baby hairs. You do not have to do this option if you don't want to. So I ended up plucking just a little bit, just to give it a more realistic look, and I only did that for both sides that I did the baby hairs on. This is also completely optional, but I always go in on my parts with concealer. I feel like that is the best way to make the scalp look the most realistic. But yeah, I love this wig. I really like the curls on this wig. It was super soft. And then it does really good when it's wet as well. But I really enjoyed this wig. I got a lot of compliments on it. And I didn't have that much shedding either, which is always a plus. So I'm just pulling out the curls on the hair, just so you can see it in its fluffy state. And then you'll see me spritz the hair with some water with a little bit of conditioner inside of it, and then you'll see it in its wet state. And yeah, that concludes my video for today. Amanda Hair, thank you so much for sending me this wig. I absolutely love it. The curls are so gorgeous on it. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure you do so. And hit that bell button so you know when your girl posts a new video. And I'll catch y'all in my next one. Bye.